Guys, what is going on, and welcome to my first look at Freshhkiicks. All right, Nissan R35 GTR 4K. All right, listen, check this out. If you're a car guy, you have to know who Freshhkiicks is. If you don't know who Freshhkiicks is, then you're not a real car guy. Like every car guy should know who Freshhkiicks is. And I actually follow him on Instagram, and this man is I could say he's a true legend and one of the car guys. So let's go ahead and let's check out his Nismo R35. Yo, his GTR is fucking gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, so let's get right into it. Let me make sure everything is good for y'all. And thank you so much for all of the support, guys, on the car channel. Thank you for always liking, comment, subscribing. Okay, a lot of us are going up. I love you guys, and let's go. Look at this thing, man. Look at this. God, I want a GTR so bad. I want a GTR so bad. I want it. I want one. If I could have any supercar, it would definitely be a GTR. Look at this monster, man. Just look at it. And it's not just any GTR, yo. It's the Nismo package. Shit. I love it. I love it. I love it. Freshhkiicks, I love it. Warshins, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, man. I love everything about it. Jesus. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and more for coming up on the channel. I love and I appreciate every single one of you guys. All right? Peace.